Hi, I'm Calvin, your coach for the Ear to Ear Magic running crew. Chris and I are training for the Dopey Challenge in January. Our basic training plan is a short run twice a week, plus a long run on the weekend. For the Dopey Challenge, our long run distance this week is 5.5 miles. This is the longest run we've done so far, and it'll help build leg strength and endurance so we can tackle those longer runs in the weeks ahead. This is a good time to talk about planning the routes for our longer runs. How can you create a good route? One way is to drive around your community and watch the mileage on your car's odometer. Always pay attention to the road and obey speed limits and traffic signs when using your car to estimate your route. Just remember that what's easy for a car may be hard for a runner. Pay attention to damaged or missing sidewalks, difficult intersections, or areas that are prone to flooding. Some running trails post their mileage along the route. Notice whether the trail takes you around a loop or sends you out and back. You can use an app on your phone to plan your route, or even find routes planned by other runners in your community. When Chris has been running our virtual 5Ks over the summer, I have gone out to map my run before each of those runs and helped Chris figure out how many laps around the lake he's going to have to go. I have a great 4-mile loop, and I can increase the distance of that route up to 10 miles by running through a few more neighborhoods. When my run is longer than 10 miles, I run on a local greenway. This means driving to the trailhead, and that requires a little more work and planning. Having a few established routes for different distances lets me focus on running instead of wondering, where should I go next? Be thoughtful about your plan so you remove obstacles to your training. Without a plan for a specific distance, it's easy to say, I've probably gone far enough today, which might not prepare you for your race. No matter when or where you run, be safe. Always tell someone where you're going and when you expect to be back. And take your phone with you, especially for areas where you may not be familiar with the route. Thanks for joining us this week. I'll be back next week with more training updates and helpful tips, and I'll see you on the course.